Welcome. In this quick tutorial, we are going to show you that how to turn off DMS on TikTok, direct messaging on TikTok. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. Just make sure you are logged in and using the latest version. Make sure to watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. Firstly, you have to open the TikTok app. Move to the profile. Click on the three lines which appear at right top corner. Click on settings and privacy. Now click on privacy. You can see here option of messaging. You have to turn off your messaging here, then no one, or select the persons, then they will be unable to send you DMS direct messages. Thank you so much. That was all. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.